Android OS is a Linux-based mobile operating system that primarily runs on smartphones and tablets. The Android platform includes an operating system based upon the Linux kernel, a GUI, a web browser, and end-user applications that can be downloaded. Android was released under the Apache v2 open source license. This allows for many variations of the OS to be developed for other devices, such as gaming consoles and digital cameras. Android began its life as a Palo Alto-based startup company called Android Incorporated in 2003. Originally, the company set out to develop an operating system for digital cameras, but it abandoned those efforts in lieu of reaching a broader market. Google released the public beta version of Android 1.0 for developers around the same time of the Alliance's announcement, in November 2007. The default UI of Android relies on direct manipulation inputs such as tapping, swiping, and pinching to initiate actions. The device provides haptic feedback to the user via alerts such as vibrations to respond to actions. If a user presses a navigation button, for example, the device vibrates. Android OS also includes features to save battery usage. The OS suspends applications that aren't in use to conserve battery power and CPU usage. Android includes memory management features that automatically close inactive processes stored in its memory. Additionally, Android OS has generative AI features that improve Google searches. The Circle to Search feature allows users to highlight, circle, scribble, or tap on images, videos, or text in search to learn more about elements of the photo. Android runs on both of the most widely deployed cellular standards, GSM/HSDPA and CDMA/EVDO. Android 1.0 was released on September 23, 2008. Android 1.5, known as Cupcake, was released on April 27, 2009. Other versions include Android 1.6, Donut, Android 2.0, Eclair, Android 2.2, Froyo, Android 2.3, Gingerbread, Android 3.0 to 3.2, Honeycomb, Android 4.0, Ice Cream Sandwich, Android 4.1 to 4.3, Jelly Bean, released on July 9, 2012, Android 5.0, Lollipop, released on November 12, 2014, Android 6.0, Marshmallow, Android 7.0 and 7.1, Nougat, Android 8.0 and 8.1, Oreo, Android 9.0, Pie, released on August 6, 2018, Android 10, Android Q, released on September 3, 2019, Android 11, Red, Velvet Cake, Android 12, Snow Cone, Android 13, Tiramisu, and Android 14, Upside Down Cake, released on October 4, 2023. Android uses ARM for its hardware platform. Later versions of Android OS support x86 and x86-64 architectures. Android's main competitor is Apple iOS. Both iOS and Android OS offer comparative features. Android's global market share in September 2023 was 69.74%, according to a StatCounter report. Apple iOS global market share was 29.58%. The most significant user criticism of Android is that the OS is fragmented. The flexible, open-source nature of Android results in many variations of hardware and software. Many devices run older versions of Android. As of September 2023, 34.92% of Android users run the version 13 operating system, 18.93% run version 12, 18.73% use version 11, and 9.07% use version 10, according to StatCounter. Android's versatility is one of its greatest strengths. It powers a vast array of applications, from social media platforms like Instagram to productivity tools like Google Docs. The Google Play Store hosts millions of apps, catering to every need imaginable, whether it's gaming, education, or health tracking. Moreover, Android supports a wide range of devices, from budget smartphones to high-end tablets, making it accessible to a global audience. This adaptability has made it the most widely used mobile operating system in the world, shaping how we interact with technology daily.